Howdy, folks, and welcome to the show. As I said last week, we are on spring break for 2 weeks. That means we're going to be putting up a prior episode. This particular episode is phenomenal. We had the opportunity to sit down with Joseph May, Craig Peters, and Brian Gearinger to talk to them about what ultimately became an $11 million civil rights judgment after they won a tremendous verdict on behalf of 3 wrongly detained African Americans who were detained for 90 minutes and then released. The theme of their case was that no time is acceptable when people are being racially profiled, and they set a record-setting verdict that should send a message to law enforcement across the globe that this is not okay. The original episode got a lot of attention. Parking While Black was the title of the episode, and it is really insightful to hear how this team put this case together and how they used some of the missteps by the defense team to advantage the case. I hope you really enjoy it. If you enjoy part 1, there is a part 2, and I highly recommend that one as well. So enjoy. Look forward to chatting with folks when we're back. Happy hunting.